Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of Bitcoin is moving and how the price of Bitcoin can move in the next 2 days. Okay, if you look at this chart, I have already suggested in my last video that the price of Bitcoin can make a new high, and at 59 58 around I have said, and now it is 64,369. It's moving. See, the pattern I have shown you that how the Bitcoin is moving currently. See what it is continue after this period. Okay, what it did, it make a new high and from there it bounce back again, make a new high, bounce back again, make a so this was the pattern it was following, but it is continuously in uptrend after making this low, and from there in this particular range. See, you can see the same trend here, uptrend in this particular range, then uptrend, and now this particular range, now uptrend, and then we'll see a particular range, and then it can bounce back again more high. See, if you look at this chart, I'll show you 1 month's chart of this. See, always it is making a new high, it come bounce back, it make a little low, and then from there it bounce back again. Okay, make a and then made a high, then again make a low, and then bounce back from here. So what I have told you in my last video, that once it make a new all-time high, and if it goes above that level, I have already told you that it can touch a level of 65, and after touching that level, once we see a red candle, then we can see that it can again make a little downfall like this, and then it will bounce back again, what we have seen in all these charts. Okay, see, look at this pattern, but this is the place where it has was, and I've already told you that if the something has to go up, it will not go directly like this, it will go up, hold for some time, then it will go up, or it will make a W pattern and then it will go up. Okay, so in the same way, what it will do is that after making an all-time high, and if it makes a red candle, then there is possibility that it can again make a little, can come down, and then it will try to bounce back more high. Okay, so what we can expect in the next 2-3 days. If you have any doubt regarding your Bitcoin position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or you can join my Telegram channel, link in the description. See, this is all are my personal opinions, so please consult your financial advisor before investing. See, look at this chart. Okay, now I have told you that it can make a new high, all-time high very soon. So it has made an all-time high of 964,907. So we can expect that after touching this level, see, I'll show you, making an high at this level, again it bounced back, making a high level, again it bounced back, made a high level, again it bounced back, made a high, and again it bounced back. So what at this time it does not make this level. Okay, because this is the time where it has fallen high. So but once it goes high at this point, high point, again it can make a little low, and then from there it bounce back high. So what we have seen a good movement at this point. Okay, so once this range is break, so okay, once this range is break upside, and it will try to make again more high at the level, but once it tries to make a red candle, then there is a probability, because we have seen a downfall after it makes a new high. Okay, so there is, see, it has make a red candle, so now it is moving in this particular range, but once it goes above 64,700, then there is probability again it can make a new high. Okay, so what we can expect, that the trend for Bitcoin is continuously in upside, but there is probability it has already made a new high, so it can come a little down and then try to pull back. So if it goes above 64,700, then we can expect again a buy position. Okay, so let's see. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.